Well, on this cold and rainy New Year's Eve day, I decided I'm going to get the 68 Super 12 out, because I don't know if you guys can see it from here, well, not really, but over there I got the snow blade, and I'm going to put that on this tractor. Now, the last time this tractor ran, it was having carb issues, so we'll see if it even wants to run today. Oh wow! So I figured it was going to be cold. It was going to be a, well, not just cold, but hard start. Definitely does not like choke. Now, if you give it a couple seconds, it wants to run. I did put gas in it, so I know that there's gas in the tank. At least enough for it to run. And the fuel is on. Well, it likes to run and idle. Well, there you guys go. Definitely cold-blooded.